Hey guys, how you all doing? My name is Yeti and welcome to another episode of Yettysplash. Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be exploring a visa that can allow you to relocate with your family to the United Kingdom. We all know that on the study visa, if you're not doing a PhD or a master's research level, from January you might not be able to come in with your dependent, but there are other means in which you can relocate to the UK with your dependent. So that is why I've taken the liberty to explain to you another means in which you can relocate to the UK. So if you qualify for this visa category, then you're allowed to bring in your dependent. If this interests you, don't go anywhere, stay dialed in, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my page to your friends and family. Okay, also guys, I also want to tell you quickly about Amber Student Accommodation is one of the best accommodation platform for students in the United Kingdom. So if you're coming or relocating or moving to the United Kingdom by the study route, you need to sort out your accommodation, and the best way to do it is via Amber Student Accommodation. Is tested and trusted. They have fancy apartments at a very reasonable and affordable price. So if you want to get through to them, use the description in my video. You will see the link to Amber Students. The first link you see, Amber Student Accommodation. Click on it. Beautiful thing is that they have this personalized service. So if you use that link, if you have any problem, I will be able to assist you. Okay, so guys, on today's episode of Yettysplash, we're going to be talking about a different kind of visa. A visa can allow you to come into the UK, relocate to the UK, move in with your dependents, get your ILR, and ultimately British citizenship if that is what you're looking to get. So if this interests you, don't forget to stay tuned, subscribe, and don't go anywhere. This is particularly for those that are like on the faith line or that are religious. Let me just put it that way. Do you know that you can apply for a Minister of Religion visa? Yes, a Minister of Religion visa. The Minister of Religion visa is a visa category that allows you to come into the UK if you've been offered a job within the faith community. So it's either you've been offered a job as a missionary, a minister of religion, a member of the religious order, or something. So you've been offered a job in any of this, category to come into the UK and work. What are other things that can make you qualify for a minister of religious visa? So eligibility requirement, guys, you must have a COS, you must be 18 years and above, you must be able to prove your knowledge of English language, you must have requisite funds to support and maintain yourself while you're in the United Kingdom. And very importantly, I think I just mentioned this, is the fact that you must have a COS willing to sponsor you to come and work as a minister in the United Kingdom. Also, it goes without saying, you must have your tuberculosis test results if you're not from the countries that are exempted from providing a tuberculosis test result. What do you need to show as your maintenance funds? You must be able to show that you have £1,270 in your account for at least 28 days to be able to support yourself in the United Kingdom. You might not be required to provide a proof of funds if your sponsor can show that they will be responsible for your maintenance. So they'll just take maintenance and then you do not have to provide any funds. So what are the documents you need to be able to apply for this visa? Of course, it goes without saying, you need your passport, a valid passport, not an expired one. You need your TB certificate, your proof of funds, your certificate of sponsorship, and most importantly, your proof of English language. So you must have done an English language test to prove that yes, you understand English language and you can be able to communicate in English language. So moving on, the question all of you have been asking is, can I relocate or can I move to the UK with my dependents if I am on a Minister of Religion visa? Yes, you can. So it allows you to also bring in your dependent. Your dependent can apply and they can also join you in the United Kingdom. And of course, they would also, they also have to show that they have enough money to support themselves while in the United Kingdom. Can you extend your stay if you're on a Minister of Religion visa in the United Kingdom? Yes, you can extend your stay for. You can extend your Minister of Religious visa for up to 3 years, or the time given in your certificate of sponsorship plus 14 days, or the time required to take your total stay in the UK to a maximum of 6 years. And it goes without saying, if you've stayed up to 6 years or even 5 years on this visa, then you're eligible to apply for your indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom, and then ultimately your British citizenship if this interests you. Okay, so how much is the application fee? Just £625 if you're applying from outside the UK, and if you're in the UK already extending your visa, then you'll be paying £715, and same application fee goes to your dependents as well. So it is not a cheap visa, but then it is worth the try if you're able to find a religious society or a religious organization that is willing to sponsor you to come into the United Kingdom on the Minister of Religion visa. Another question is, can you take a second job if you're on the Minister of Religion visa? Well guys, you can take a second job on this visa if you're working up to 20 hours a week in either the same profession as your main job or a profession on the skilled worker shortage occupation list. So if you're already on a Minister of Religion visa, then you can still extend to work outside your usual COS for 20 hours if you're doing the same job or you're doing a job on the shortage occupation list. Also, you're allowed to do unpaid voluntary work. So there's no limit. You can do unpaid voluntary work if you want to. Okay, so if the Minister of Religion visa is something you will consider, then let me know in the comment section. So if this is for those that are pastors, missionaries, ministers in the temple of God, this is an opportunity for you to relocate to the United Kingdom. And the beautiful thing about this visa is it's not saturated so all you have to do is just go online, look for companies, faith organizations with license to sponsor that are willing to sponsor you to come to the United Kingdom and work as a minister of religion. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you more information, more gist, and everything you need to relocate and settle in the United Kingdom and every other part of the country that might interest you. So I still remain your one and only baby girl Yeti. Don't touch that dial until you subscribe, and stay blessed. Mwah.